Hey there everybody, welcome to session number 7 in our home learning series of lessons for maths. Today we're going to be thinking about subtraction. For this session you are going to need the 100 square that you can find inside your green learning book. Some counting objects. I'm going to be using pasta again, but you can use anything that's small enough to move around easily and that you have at least 20 of. You're going to need some paper, your learning book or a whiteboard, and finally something to write with, like a pencil pen or whiteboard pen. Start like we always do with some counting to warm ourselves up. Only today I'm going to make it a little bit more difficult, as I know that you're all getting really good at counting at home. What's different about my 100 square? That's right, it hasn't got any numbers. We're going to try today to work out, using the position of the squares on our 100 grid, what the numbers are. So we're going to count from this space and stop when we reach this space. What number should be inside those boxes? What number do you think should be inside the green box? What number do you think should be inside the red box? Well done if you thought that 6 should be inside the green box and 13 should be inside the red box. Can you count from 6 to 13 but without any of the other numbers? Off you go. Let's see if you're correct. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Well done. Let's try another one. What number should be inside this box? And what number should be inside that box? Yes, inside the green box should be the number 5. And inside the red box should be the number 16. Can you count from 5 to 16? Off you go. Let's have a look and see if you were correct. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Well done if you counted from 5 and stopped at 16. Now let's try counting backwards. We're going to count from the number inside the green box and stop when we get to the number inside the red box. But at the moment we don't know what those numbers are. What do you think they could be? Well done if you thought that 12 should be inside the green box and 8 should be inside the red box. Can you count backwards from 12 to 8? Let's see if you were correct. 12, 11, 10, 9, 8. Fantastic. Let's try one more. What should be inside the red box and what should be inside the green box? Well done if you thought that 7 would be inside the red box and 19 would be inside the green box. Now you need to count backwards from 19 and stop when you reach 7. Off you go. Let's have a go together. 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7. Fantastic. Brilliant counting today, everybody. So this week we've been thinking about subtraction, and we're going to think about it again today. Can everyone remind me, what does the subtraction symbol look like? Well done if you said it's a straight line like this one. We're going to be using this today. Here's the start of a number sentence. It has the number 7 and then it has a symbol here. I can't remember what it is. Can you help me out? Yes, this symbol is the subtraction symbol. We could say subtract, or we could say take away, or we might even say minus. Then we've got the number 4, so 7 subtract 4, and what's this symbol here? Yes, that's right, it's the equal symbol. 7 subtract 4 equals, and then we need to find the answer. This is when I can use my pasta, and you can use your pasta or counting objects. First of all, we need to count out 7 pieces of pasta or 7 objects. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let's just check that we have enough. Remember, adults, we're thinking about that one-to-one correspondence. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We need 7 pieces of pasta because our number sentence was 7 subtract 4 equals, and we still need to find the answer. Okay, here are 7 pieces of pasta again, and here's a very hungry crocodile. Fortunately, he loves eating pasta, so I think he's in for some luck. We're going to give him 4 pieces of pasta. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. He's eaten 4 pieces of pasta and he's full now. Let's see how many pieces of pasta we've got left. 1, 2, 3. The final number we counted to was 3. So we're using that cardinal principle. That must be the number of objects we have left. This helps us find the answer to our number. 7, and then there's that symbol. Oh yeah, there's the subtraction symbol. 7 subtract 4, and then what's that symbol again? Yes, it's equals. 7 subtract 4 equals 3. Well done if you were able to do this with me at home. I think you can complete some of these number sentences on your own today. Can you read them with me first though? 11 subtract 5 equals. 14 subtract 7 equals. 12 subtract 6 equals. 13 subtract 4 equals. If you're looking for a challenge today, you could try some of these. 10 take away something equals 6. 20 take away something equals 12. 20 subtract something equals 14. If you want to have a go at the top black number sentences, you could pause the video now, and perhaps then you could come back and together we could try some of the challenges. So if you're ready, or adults, if you think your child is going to have a go at the challenge questions, then keep watching the video because the next slide is going to explain a little bit more. So the challenge today was asking you to complete some missing number sentences. How do we do this? Here's one of those number sentences. At the moment it says 10 subtract something equals 6, but we don't know what that number is. We can find this out using our counting objects or pasta. The first thing I'm going to do is get 10 pieces of pasta ready. Can you help me count them? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I've got 10 pieces of pasta because that's the number at the start of my number sentence and how many I have at the beginning. I don't know how many I'm taking away, but I do know what the answer is. And so I'm going to give 6 of those pieces of pasta and move them across because I know that's how many I have left at the end. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So these are the 6 pieces of pasta I have left at the end, and I had 10 to begin with, but now I've moved 6 across. How many pieces of pasta are left on the other side? 1, 2, 3, 4. I had 6 left and I had 10 at the beginning, so I must have taken away 4. 10 subtract 4 equals 6. We could check that by doing 10 subtract 4 using our objects or pasta. This is quite a tricky idea to find a missing number, and it's something that we would have been thinking about a lot more if we'd been at school together. Have a go and try some of these challenges and let me know how you do. So pause this video again now if you want to have a go at the challenges, and then when you're ready you can keep on watching to show me how you're feeling about your learning today. If you're feeling confident, give me a thumbs up. If you're finding it a bit tricky but you can keep on going and know how to improve, give me a thumbs in the middle. And if you want a bit more help from the adults, give me a thumbs down. Adults, please do let me know how your child has found their learning today. Have a great day, everybody.